Amorim claims he feels the anxiety when Dorgu plays the ball. I can feel that Patrick should just stay calm. Amorim assures the player he's part of his long-term project at the club. Xabi Alonso claims, despite what people from outside said, we are together. We are united, you will see that. Ruben Amorim says Licha Martinez is ready and available. If everything goes as planned, we could see him play today, but we wouldn't want to rush him as he is just back. Rafinha, I am always ready to demand more to my teammates. Sometimes I feel like I'm annoying for my teammates, but I feel it's important. If there has to be someone annoying in the dressing room, I don't mind if it's me. Leo Messi wins the 47th trophy of his career, Eastern Conference champions. Lamine Yamal reached 85 goal contributions for club and country at 18 years old. Crystal Palace and Fulham are among the clubs continuing to monitor Watford and Republic of Ireland winger Rocco Varta. The Championship side value Varta at about £20 million. Bryan Mbeumo starts for Manchester United versus Crystal Palace. Bruno starts for Manchester today. Moises Caicedo. Everything happens for a reason. I almost joined Arsenal in the past, but now I'm here and I'm so happy. The timing was good